Hey guys, good morning. Long time no see. I am on my way into work today. I am recovering from a cold from last week, so thankfully this week we are feeling much better. I have a 4-appointment day, so yeah, I'm gonna hit there. I have Red Bull. One of my clients came in and said they're gonna stop selling the blueberry one. I haven't drank one in the longest time, but I've had 3 in the past like 2 weeks, which is a lot for me. But you know, I'm gonna enjoy them as long as I can. So yeah, I'm gonna head into work and get the day started. I am here at work, so it is Wednesday, which is like my Monday, so it's the start of the week. My first appointment will be here in about 20 minutes, so I'm just gonna get set up with the colors I need and the gels that I need for this first appointment.
Anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, I they try to get to my way. Plenty so far we face. Just to make your money day. For my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to learn. Tell me, what's it go? You want go? All depend. And packaging in a one night for shows. I'm juggling flow like the ocean. Port I'm paddling. Shout out Shinabella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen drinks. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my bitch. If you become a shine, I'll be head of state. For my people, then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? You are come, all depend.
Alex Epps. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair, was me out of fear. You'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause the point of crying, it was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? lift you up. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part.
All right, guys, that wraps up my nail day. I started at 10 a.m. and I just finished up at like 6:10. Very fun day, cute nails. It's a great way to start my week. So I love the chill vibe to start the week. So yeah, I'm just gonna wrap up, clean up and get ready for tomorrow, head home. The sun is still out. Like, I wasn't sure if I like daylight savings and I'm still on the fence, but I do like that it's bright outside still. Any other time, the sun would be down. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it short, keep it sweet. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll be posting another video soon. I have some videos that I've recorded that I have not uploaded about nail products and such. So I don't know. Hope you guys take care. See you next time.